Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. This is 17b. So in this lesson, we will learn more words of fi'l amr wa nahy, the patterns. So use TPI. Today, repeat after me. Repeat after me. Hear it.
Hear it.
See it.
See it.
Think it.
Thinking.
Say it.
Say it.
Show it.
Show it.
Love it.
Love it.
And do it together.
And do it together.
So revision. Arabic words are of three types. You know as well, mashallah, is noun, fi'l, harf, fi'l, verb, harf, particle, and the signs of noun, al at the beginning, and dhammatain, fathatain, kasratain in the end of the word, and un, in are the signs of plural, and noun like name and attributes, fi'l, verb. In Arabic language, most of verbs are made up of three letters like fa'ala, fataha, nasara, daraba. So fi'l is of three types: mazi, perfect tense; mudari, imperfect tense; madi, that which is done; and mudari, that which is not done yet, being done or will be done. Amr, imperative. Amr, imperative. So amr nahi, you remember unsur, unsur, unsuru, unsur, help, unsuru, help you all. La tansur, don't help, and la tansuru, don't help, means don't help you all.
No.
And now you do it yourself. Uzkur, uzkur. The camera is not, I think the setup of the camera is not good. I can't see you. And the actions.
Yes. You can hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear, but I can't see the actions. Set the camera like, alhamdulillah, we started the class. So that time it was good.
Yes. Ajukuru.
Uzkur, uzkur.
Remember?
Uzkuru. Uzkuru, remember you all. Can't we set the
No,
camera?
I understand now. Oh, you don't get camera?
Yeah. I mean, I can see just your head. I can't see your actions. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good, mashallah. Yes. Uzkuru.
Uzkuru, remember.
Now I can see the action. So that's it. Uzkur. Uzkuru. Uzkur. First one is, this last letter is sagin. Uzkur. Yes.
Uzkuru, remember.
Uzkuru. Remember you all.
Uzkuru, remember you all.
La tazkur.
La tajkuru, don't remember.
La tazkur.
La tajkuru, don't remember you all.
Yes, yes, mashallah. So, and this is abada ya'budu, u'bud, 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 worship.
U'bud, worship.
U'budu.
U'budu, don't worship. Worship you all.
Worship you all.
Worship.
La ta'bud.
La ta'budu, don't worship.
Don't worship. And la ta'budu, la ta'budu.
La ta'budu, don't worship you all.
Okay. Next one is khalaqa yakhluqu. Ukhluq.
Ukhluq.
Create.
Create.
Ukhluqu. Create you all.
Ukhluqu, create you all.
La takhluq.
La takhluq, don't create.
لا تخلقوا.
تخلقوا, don't create you all.
Okay, we just gonna start now today's lesson, mashallah. So let's repeat. Daraba, he hit.
Daraba, he hit.
Darabu.
Darabu, he hit.
Darabta, no, darabu, they hit.
Darabu, they hit.
Darabta, you hit.
Darabuta, you hit.
Darabtu, I hit.
Darabutu, I hit.
And darabtum.
Darabutum.
Yes, darabtum, you all hit. Darabna.
Darabutum, you all hit.
Yes, darabna, we hit.
Darabna, we hit.
Now, mudari, yadribu.
Yadribu.
Yadribuna.
Adribuna.
Tadribu.
Tajribu.
Adribu.
Adribu.
Yes. Tadribuna.
Tajribuna.
Nadrib.
Najrib.
Yes. Nadribu. Nadribu means we hit or we will hit.
We hit or we will hit.
Now, imperative. فعل أمر نهي. أمر. اضرب.
Adrib.
Yes. You hit.
You hit.
اضربوا.
Idribu.
You hit. You all.
You all hit.
لا تضرب.
La tadrib.
Don't hit.
Don't hit.
لا تضربوا.
La tadribu.
Don't hit you all.
Don't hit you all.
Next one is, so repeat it. اضرب. اضربوا.
Adrib. Adribu.
لا تضرب. لا تضربوا.
La tadrib. La tadribu.
Okay. So اضرب.
Adrib.
Yes. The answer is سوف أضرب. سوف أضرب. اضربوا.
Adribu. Safa nadrib.
سوف نضرب.
Safa nadrib.
Allah. And now اضرب الكرة.
Adrib al-kura.
You know the meaning? Al-kurata. Al-kura means ball.
Safa adribu al-kura.
Yeah, سوف أضرب الكرة soon, or سوف أضرب and سأضرب soon, or very soon I'll hit the ball.
Soon, very soon I will hit the ball.
Yes. اضربوا الكرة.
Adribu al-kura.
Yeah, this is for plural. اضربوا الكرة.
Adribu al-kura.
Yeah, because we are stopping here, so this is the last letter of the word. We can make it sakin, or we can show the haraka there. So we will say اضربوا الكرة.
Adribu al-kurata.
Yes, سوف نضرب الكرة.
Safa nadribu al-kurata. We're going to hit the ball very soon.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. And we're going to go inside.
So as-sam' means to listen. As-sam' to listen. And this is sami'a, he listened. Sami'a, he listened.
Sami'a, he listened.
Sami'u, they listened.
Sami'u, they listen.
Sami'ta, you listen.
Sami'ata, you listen.
Sami'tu, I listen.
Sami'atu, I listen.
Sami'tum, you all listened.
Sami'atu, you all listen.
Sami'na, we all listen.
Sami'una,
We listen. Now, فعل مضارع يسمع
يسمع
يسمعون.
يسمعون
Yeah, the upper level. تسمع.
تسمع
No, upper level and right side, and then in front of you. تسمع.
تسمع
أسمع.
أسمع
تسمعون.
تسمعون
نسمع.
نسمع.
You know the meaning نسمع?
Yes, we all listen.
We listen and we will listen.
We will listen.
Yeah,
Listen and we
it
will
has
listen.
both of the meaning. اسمع. Say اسمع.
Yes.
Listen.
Oh, it's
And اسمعوا. Say
اسمعوا
لا تسمع.
لا تسمع.
لا تسمعوا.
لا تسمعوا.
Yeah, don't listen. So اسمع.
Don't listen.
اسمعوا.
اسمعوا. اسمعوا.
No, first is singular, then second is plural. اسمع. اسمعوا.
اسمع. اسمعوا.
No, first one is singular. اسمع. Listen.
Oh, اسمع. Listen.
اسمعوا.
اسمعوا.
Listen, you all.
Listen, you all.
لا تسمع.
لا تسمع.
Singular. Don't listen.
Don't listen.
لا تسمعوا. Don't listen, you
لا
all.
تسمعوا. Don't listen, you all.
So اسمع.
اسمع.
سوف أسمع.
سوف أسمع.
اسمعوا.
اسمعوا.
سوف نسمع.
سوف نسمع.
Now we just add an object. Al-Qur'an. Al-Qur'an. So اسمع القرآن. اسمع القرآن. Listen to the Mus'haf.
القرآن.
سوف أسمع القرآن.
سوف أسمع القرآن.
Yes. And اسمعوا. اسمعوا القرآن. اسمعوا. The plural one.
اسمعوا القرآن. اسمعوا القرآن.
سوف نسمع القرآن.
سوف نسمع القرآن.
This is علم. علم. He knew.
علم. إنه.
علموا.
علموا.
علمت.
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 علمتم.
علمتم.
علمنا.
علمنا.
يعلم.
يعلم.
يعلمون.
يعلمون.
تعلم.
تعلم.
أعلم.
أعلم.
تعلمون.
تعلمون.
نعلم.
نعلم.
اعلم.
اعلم.
No. This is no, like this is no from knowledge. No.
Yes. اعلم. No.
اعلموا. No. You all.
اعلموا. Know you all.
لا تعلم. Don't know.
لا تعلم. Don't know.
Yeah. لا تعلموا. Don't know,
لا
you all.
تعلموا. Don't know you all.
Now just the specific words. أمر نهي. اعلم. Know it. اعلم. No.
اعلم. Know.
اعلموا. No, you all.
اعلم. Know you all.
لا تعلم.
لا تعلم.
Don't know.
Don't know.
لا تعلموا.
لا تعلموا.
Don't know, you all.
Don't know you all.
This is عمل. This is عمل. 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 He did.
عمل. He did.
عملوا. They did.
عملوا. They did.
عملت. You did.
عملت. You did.
عملت. I did.
عملت. I did.
عملتم. You all did.
عملت. Soon you all did.
Amilna, we did.
Amilna, we did.
Ya'malu, he does.
Ya'malu, he does.
Ya'maluna, they do and they will do.
Ya'maluna, they do, they will do.
Ta'malu, you do.
Ta'malu, you do.
A'malu, I do.
A'malu, I do.
It has all these fi'l mudari words have two meanings: do and will do. Does
Do,
and will
I
do.
will do.
Ta'maluna,
Ta'maluna,
you all do or you all will do.
you all will do.
Na'malu,
Na'malu,
we do and we will do.
we do and we will do.
I'mal,
I'mal,
do.
do.
I'malu,
I'malu,
do. You all.
do you all.
La ta'mal,
La ta'mal,
don't do.
don't do.
La ta'malu,
La ta'amalu,
don't do you all.
don't do your all.
So the specific words: i'mal, i'malu.
I'mal, i'malu,
La ta'mal, la ta'malu.
la ta'amal, la ta'amalu.
MashaAllah. So you remember this one, fa'ala, and these are the signs. Lu, alta, altum, alna, and this one, these all, mashallah, you know, 4 styles of verb. You know these styles also: fataha, yaftahu, iftah, nasara, yansuru, unsur, daraba, yadribu, idrib, and sami'a, yasma'u, isma'. So these are 4 patterns. On this pattern, the past words, I mean the words of Madi will come on. The patterns are given in this line: Fataha, Nasara, Daraba, Sami'a. Then the second one, can you hear me? I think you can't hear me now. So Fataha, Yaftahu. Now I think, yeah, I told you that in this line, all the patterns of fi'l madi, Fataha, Nasara, Daraba, just Sami'a is different. Sami'a is different because there is kasra under mim. Otherwise, all the letters have fatha on them. And let's talk about mudari'. This is the line of fi'l mudari' words. Yaftahu, the change is in yansuru, dhamma on sad. Then yadribu, kasra under ra. Then yasma'u is just similar to yaftahu. One change, two changes in this line. Iftah, fi'l mudari' from fataha. Sorry, fi'l amr, imperative, and unsur, 2 changes. Dhamma on hamza and dhamma on sad. Then let's talk about idrib. There is just one change because there is kasra under ra, and there was fatha on the top of ta, on ta. And isma. So this is just like iftah, similar to iftah. So fa'ala, yaf'al, if'al, ja'ala, yaj'alu, ij'al. You remember? Nasara, yansuru, like khalaqa, yakhluqu, ukhluq. Zakara, yadhkuru, udhkur. Abada, ya'budu, u'bud. Okay, daraba, ghafara, yaghfiru, ighfir. And alima, ya'lamu, i'lam. Amila, ya'malu, i'lam. This is bab sami'a. So fataha, you remember this, mashallah, good caption. Fataha, if you open the Quran, nasara, Allah will help you. Daraba, otherwise you will be hit. Sami'a, therefore listen. There is learning tips, secrets of this course, the great secret to memorization. In the last lessons, we have learned the great secret to memorization, to learn words with examples. If you remember with examples, then you can easily memorize the meaning, easily recall the meaning, will not get confused in one another. Other words and meanings. An important secret of this course, which examples from Salah, the examples that we know. Therefore, all these examples are simple, familiar, spiritual, emotional, repeatedly used. So remember each and every word used in the Salah. If you do not recall meaning of a particular word while reading Quran and Salah, then try to recall the complete ayah or dhikr. Example, an, ashhadu an la ilaha, ashhadu an la ilaha. Yes. Alhamdulillah, we have done the lesson. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. So now, safe journey and fi amanillah.
Oh la la, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah.
Oh, yes.